Imagine if we could learn how to induce a safe, controlled state of hibernation in humans. The possibilities are honestly mind-boggling. One of the most exciting areas is medicine, particularly in emergency situations. If someone has a heart attack, if someone has a stroke, much of the damage to the brain and other organs is caused by a lack of oxygen. If we could cool the body down quickly and reduce its need for oxygen, just like a hibernating animal, we could buy precious time for doctors to treat the patient and potentially save lives. This idea is already being used in a limited way. Doctors sometimes cool patients down after cardiac arrest. Doctors sometimes cool patients down after brain injury to reduce swelling and prevent further damage. This is called therapeutic hypothermia. However, we are still a long way from inducing the profound, long-lasting state animals achieve. If we could unlock the hibernation induction trigger, if we could unlock the protective proteins that prevent cell damage, we could revolutionize emergency medicine and many critical treatments. The hibernating groundhog could one day help save a human life. Another area where hibernation could be a game changer is in organ transplantation. Right now, when an organ, like a heart, is removed from a donor, or when an organ like a kidney is removed from a donor, it can only be preserved on ice for a few hours before it becomes unusable. This creates a desperate race against time to get the organ to a recipient. If we could learn from hibernators how to keep organs alive for days or even weeks at low temperatures without damage, it would transform the field of organ donation. It would give doctors more time to find the perfect match for a patient and mean far fewer precious organs go to waste. The dream of long-distance space travel could also become a reality. A journey to Mars would take many months. A trip to another star system could take generations. Keeping astronauts awake for that long would require enormous amounts of food, water, oxygen, and would also present huge psychological challenges. This would drastically reduce the resources needed for the mission and could make interstellar travel possible. The fat-tailed dwarf lemur sleeping in its tree in Madagascar might hold the key to humanity's future among the stars. While we have learned so much about the amazing world of hibernation, there are still many mysteries left to solve.